Okay, let's continue our lesson. I want you to create a star. Okay. Please remove the text and I want you to create a star. Okay. Okay, let me change to orange. Okay. All right, now I want to add another stroke. Okay. So click here. Okay, so tak ada beza pun kenapa? Okay. Sebab size dia, size stroke you sama. Okay. So you have to make sure that the stroke at the bottom layer, okay, layer stroke yang dekat bawah tu lagi besar daripada stroke dekat atas. Okay, so you have to make it thicker and then change the color. Okay. Okay, by default, okay, when you increase your stroke thickness, okay, you punya stroke ni dia akan increase both side. Okay, outside and inner side. Okay, so if you want to increase the thickness only one side, you have to click the stroke and then okay, select this alignment. Okay, the stroke alignment. Okay, so by default it is set to center. So when you increase your stroke thickness, okay, both side dia akan increase. Okay, if you select the align stroke inside, okay, bila you increase the stroke thickness, dia akan increase inward, okay, dia ke dalam. Okay. And this one is outside. Okay, let me set back to align stroke to center. Okay, let's say, okay, macam ni. Okay, you can also, okay, change the stacking of order of the stroke and fill layer. Okay, let's say you tak nak, okay, I punya stroke alignment ni semua set to center. Okay. Okay. And then bila I increase kan. Okay. Alright, I tak nak apa tu stroke biru ni dia cover my fill area warna orange ni. Okay, kita boleh just tukar dia punya stroke alignment. Okay, tapi kalau saya tak nak, saya nak set saya mana I nak guna align stroke to center. Okay. Kita boleh bring up the fill layer. Okay. Okay, kita boleh bring up the fill layer supaya fill layer tu hide the stroke, the inner stroke here. Okay, kita boleh tukar dia punya, kita boleh change dia punya stacking order dia. Okay, semua ni saya dah ajar dah dekat physical class. Alright. And then, okay, nanti SCA exam kan dia akan tanya soalan ni tau. Okay, you guys pay attention, okay, dia akan tanya. Okay, dia nak dia nak kita create a graphic style. Okay, dia bagi satu objek ni and then dia nak kita create a graphic style. Okay, so graphic style ni, okay, let's say graphic style ni kalau let's say kita okay, kita dah create style for this. Okay, and let's say kita ada another object. Okay, and kita nak kita nak guna style yang sama macam bintang ni dekat teks ni. Okay, so kita boleh save this style, okay, into the graphic styles panel. Okay, so bring out your graphic styles panel. And then, okay, you can just drag, okay, drag into the graphic styles. All right, or you can click the plus sign here. Okay, if you click the plus sign, oh dia tak keluar. Okay, sepatutnya kan, okay. Or you can click the new graphic style. Okay, if you click the new graphic style from the panel menu option here, this allows you to give your style a name. Okay, nanti dekat SCA exam dia akan bagi you satu objek lah, di mana kita kena create a graphic style and give that style a name. Okay, so you use this, you have to click here, graphic styles panel menu, and then click new graphic style, and then just dia akan bagilah, dia suruh kita bagi nama nama dot lah. Okay, so I'll give this orange blue, and then click OK. All right, so now I have created a graphic style. Okay, and I can reuse this style, and I can reuse and apply this style to other objects. Okay, let's say okay, I want to add another stroke. So click add new stroke, then change to different color. Okay, let's say for the red stroke, okay, I want to apply dot. I want to create a dotted line for this red stroke. So check. Oh, you boleh klik kat sini, klik dekat sini, click the stroke to bring out the stroke panel. Click dash line. So because I want to create a dotted line, so the dash length is 0. The gap is maybe 10. This one, okay, this one, just leave it blank. Change to round cap. Okay, this one, okay. I need to increase my gap size to separate the dotted. Okay. And then okay, I bring this up so that it's visible. Okay, kalau dekat bawah letak, okay, tak nampak. Okay, dia hidden under the other strokes. So I bring this up to make it visible. Okay. Okay, let's say you want to update your graphic style. Okay, you have you nak update your graphic style, you dah buat baru, and you want all the other objects that use the same graphic style updated. Okay, so you okay, select this one. Okay, hold down alternate key. hold on to that key, and then if you drag, okay, hover your mouse to the previous graphic style, release your mouse, and then nampak tak? This one dia akan updated. Okay. Okay, let me change stroke around. Okay. Hold on, Ethernet key. Okay. Okay, so far do you have any questions? All right. Okay, let's say, okay, you can also, okay, with appearance panel, okay, you can also apply effect to individual stroke or fill. Okay. By default, guys, if you select your object, okay, kalau let's say kalau you tak guna appearance panel lah kan, you just select your object on the artboard, and when you apply an effect, let's say blur lah, okay, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Okay, kalau you select macam tu je, you tak guna appearance panel, dia akan apply effect tu to all the objects, to all the fill and strokes on that object. Okay, but if you use appearance panel, okay, you can choose, okay, which layer that you want to apply the effect. Okay, let's say I only want to apply blur effect to the blue stroke. Okay, to the blue stroke at the back. Okay, kat sini lah. Okay, this one. So you can select it and you can apply the effect. Okay, and then click OK. And then aku punya illustrator lagging sikit. Okay, alright. Okay, sekarang ni kalau you tengok dekat appearance panel saya ni, nampak tak? Gaussian blur ni, effect Gaussian blur ni dia listed under the stroke layer. Okay, you boleh hide and unhide the effect. Okay? Or you can move the effect. Okay, let's say you nak move effect, you nak move to this stroke, the light blue stroke, you boleh click and drag. Okay, let me adjust the size of the blur. Alright. Alright. And then if you want to remove the effect, okay, you have to select the object first and then just click the icon here to remove the effect from the object. Okay, if you move the effect, okay, to here, okay, kalau you move layer ke sini, dia akan apply effect tu dekat semua you punya fill dan stroke. Okay, maksud dia all object lah, the whole object. Okay. Okay, so far do you have any questions?
Faham.
No, okay.
Alright. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay guys, ingat guys macam mana nak create graphic style. So, soalan ni akan keluar. If you are lucky, you akan dapat soalan ni. Okay. Alright. And can you open this file? Okay, go back to 3D folder. Okay. Can you open this file named soda can? This one, eh? Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to replicate the label here. Okay. So tadi kita dah belajar macam mana nak create multiple stroke to the object. Okay, so now I nak you replicate this label. Okay. Okay, semua warna ni saya dah provide dalam swatches panel. Okay. Ataupun kalau you nak if you have your own color, you nak use your own color pun boleh. And then after that, I want you to place on, okay, I want you to convert this can, okay, this can to a 3D object, and I want you to apply map art to the 3D object, to this can lah, okay. Okay, boleh tak?
Okay.
Okay, boleh? Semua boleh tak? Senang
Boleh
kan?
pakai eyedropper lah.
Alah, jangan guna eyedropper. Okay lah, suka hati you guys nak guna eyedropper ke tak? Okay. Okay, saya nak latih you guna appearance panel. Okay. Okay, tapi suka depend suka hati you lah. Okay. Alright. Okay, you can start now. Okay guys, please save your file guys. Untuk yang ni, please always save your file sebab I takut you punya Illustrator crash. Okay, sebab 3D object ni, effect ni dia banyak guna RAM lah. Okay. So, please always save your file. Okay guys, boleh tak? Okay, I have sent you a link, a speed test link. Okay, boleh tak you check you punya internet speed, and then boleh tak save and macam mana save ni sebab and then send the link in this chat, boleh tak? Sebab kan nanti exam, this is a online exam, you perlukan internet yang laju tau. Dia perlukan internet laju untuk test tu. Jadi kalau you punya internet connection slow, nanti kan you ada problem. Okay, nanti kan you check speed test you punya internet connection. Okay. Okay, Syami lebih kurang. Okay, minimum speed is 8 megabyte. Okay, if you have you punya internet connection below than that, okay, nanti you ada problem nanti kan. You ada problem exam nanti. Okay. Okay, this one actually tak masuk dalam exam Okay, this is actually this is exercise for advanced class. Okay, but if you want to create a text like this, okay, dia macam distorted like this, okay. Alright, you can apply envelope distort effect. Okay, this is a make with warp. Okay. Go to object menu, envelope distort and make with warp. Okay, so this is this one actually, this one too. Oh, no. Okay, this one. Arch lower. Okay. Tapi yang ni dia tak masuk dalam exam class. Okay, because this is a advanced advanced topic lah kot in Illustrator. Okay. Actually tak adalah advanced sangat pun. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. So yang lain macam mana?
All right, got it. Thank you. Got it.
Okay, how about the text? Sparkling orange soda. Macam mana nak buat teks macam ni?
I use a scale too.
Guna apa? Yes, shear tool. Okay, jangan rotate Kalau rotate you akan dapat effect. Dia lain. Kalau rotate dengan shear lain Okay. Okay. Alright, kalau rotate dia macam ni, okay? This one. This is a rotate. Okay. And this is a shear. Shear ni skew lah text. This is the difference between rotate and shear. Okay. Okay, let's move on to next topic. Okay, next is brush. Alright. Okay, saya just recap. Okay, saya just recap je apa yang kita dah belajar dekat dalam kelas. Okay, can you create a new document? Okay, okay. Okay, we use brush. Okay, this is a brush. Brushes panel. And you can also access brush on your control panel here. Okay. Okay, we use a brush to make your path a little bit fancy. Okay, let's say you have a box. Okay, or rectangle or a line. Okay, you want to make it a little bit fancy. Okay, so you can use brush panel. Okay, and okay, you can bring out more brush by going to brush libraries menu. Okay, and then just click. Okay, then this one. Okay, there are several type of brush in Illustrator that you can create. Okay, you can create calligraphy brush, scatter brush, art brush, bristle brush, and pattern brush. Okay, okay, saya tak nak go through all the brush sebab kita dah buat dalam kelas hari tu. Okay, tetapi dalam essay exam dia suruh you buat dia suruh you create a scatter brush. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, dia suruh kita create scatter brush from the object given. Okay, so bila saya klik ada brush, if you want to create a new brush, you want to create your own brush, you can click the new brush here. Okay. So as you can see here, okay. You nampak tak scatter brush dengan art brush ni dia grey out. I cannot select it. Kenapa? Saya tak boleh select scatter brush. Okay, ingat tak? Okay, scatter brush dengan art brush, okay, you kena select object you dulu. Okay, to create a scatter brush, okay, you have to create a single object. Like I said, you have to create your object lah. Okay. Let's say I want to create a star. I want to create a scatter brush from a star. Okay. Then click the new brush. Okay. Okay. Now you notice scatter brush dia dah available. Okay. Scatter brush dengan art brush. Okay. Okay, so select scatter brush, click OK. Okay. Can give your scatter brush a name. Okay. Okay. Now I deselect everything. Okay, so now if you notice, kalau you notice, okay, you punya brush, your scatter brush sekarang, you punya scatter brush ada kat dalam brush panel. Then if you want to apply your scatter brush, want to use your scatter brush. Okay, if you want to directly use your brush, you can use a pen brush tool. Okay, pen brush tool. Select the thumbnail of the brush and then you can draw. Okay. Or if you have an object, okay, and you want to apply your scatter brush to your object. Okay, so you have to select your object first and then select your brush. Okay. If you want to adjust, you want to modify your brush, you have to double click the thumbnail in your brushes panel. Okay, you boleh adjust size. If you want to randomize the size of your brush, you can change the setting, the size setting to random. So you get a randomized size. Okay. This is the minimum size. Minimum good. Let me see. Yes, minimum. Then this is a maximum. Okay, nanti dekat XCA exam dia akan bagi itulah description lah. Okay, dia nak you create scatter brush from the object given and then dia nak you adjust lah size berapa persen, dia punya spacing. So you letak dekat sini lah dia punya value dekat sini. Okay. Okay, scatter ni lagi, okay, kalau you move to the right, dia lagi scatter, okay? Dia lagi berselerak lah, dia lagi bersepah. Okay. Alright, by default, okay, when I click OK, okay, I want to apply the new change to my current stroke. So apply to stroke. Okay, by default, okay, you punya brush ni tak ada, it doesn't have ability to change the color. Okay, so let's say if I change the color to different color, you see nothing happened. Okay. Okay, kalau, but if you want your brush have ability to change the color, okay, you can double click your brush and then change the colorization ni, the method to one of these three. Okay, so kalau none kan, if you set to none, you punya brush ni tak ada ability untuk tukar warna. Okay, tapi kalau you nak brush you boleh tukar warna. Okay, based on the color that you have selected. So you boleh choose, okay, one of these three. Okay, so tints ni. Okay, so tint ni dia a bit lighter, okay. Dia tak ada shadow, dia hanya ada tint saja. Okay, if you select tints and shades, okay, let me check and uncheck to refresh my Illustrator. Okay, you akan dapat warna color dia lagi kontras lah. Okay, hue and shift. Okay, dia akan randomize the color. Okay. And then click OK. Apply to stroke. Okay, so far you nak tanya apa-apa ke tentang brushes? Alright. Okay, now. Okay, sekejap eh. Okay. Okay, so now you open file ni, brush. Okay, I nak you delete. Okay, objek dalam artboard ni. Okay. Please delete this one. Kita brush ni. Okay, sekarang ni saya nak you create a brush. Okay, this is a pattern. Okay, this is a pattern brush. Okay, this is this one is a scatter brush. Scatter brush. Okay, saya dah provide you dia punya apa tu objek ni. Okay, I nak you create a pattern brush using this object. Okay, this one and this one. This is the pattern brush. I nak you create a pattern brush using this object. And untuk bintang ni I nak you buat scatter brush. Okay, and then please I want you to upload in the chat. Okay. Alright guys, let's continue our lesson. Alright, can you open this file? Okay. Go back to number 7 folder. Okay, can you open this file? Please open this folder first, and please open this file. Name Petang. Okay, please open this file. Okay, all right. Can you place? Sekejap ya. Window. Okay, can you? Okay. Okay, I want you to select this layer. Okay, editing layer. Okay, sebab apa? Kalau if you're currently on the lock layers, you cannot place. You cannot place your object. Okay, so make sure that you select this layer. All right. Can you place this image? Go to File menu and then choose Place. Okay. Okay. I nak you open file. Place this file. Lady Laser. And click here. Okay. Okay, this file is in Photoshop format. Okay, if you embed a Photoshop file into your AI file, okay, you click the embed, okay, you will get this Photoshop import option box. Okay, kalau you embed a normal JPEG or PNG into your Illustrator, okay, you takkan dapat ni lah, box ni tak akan keluar. Okay, box ni hanya akan keluar kalau you embed Photoshop file. Alright. You ada option kat sini. Okay. Okay. Kalau you punya Photoshop file tu ada text, kan? Ada text. Contohlah ada text kat sini. Bila you klik yang ni, bila you choose the first option, it allows you to edit the text using Illustrator, on Illustrator. Okay, so text tu editable. Okay, but if you choose the second option, which is flatten layers to a single image, both of the image and your text will flatten. Dia akan flatten. Maksudnya the text is uneditable. Okay, dia akan jadi one single image. Dia dah merge lah. Okay, that is the difference between these two options. Okay, so because we don't have text here, okay, so you boleh pilih mana-mana lah. Okay, you choose second lah, ni, flatten layers to a single image. Alright, and then click OK. Alright, just click OK. Alright, now okay, we want to convert this image to a vector. Okay, I nak convert this image to a vector. Okay, kena guna mana?
outline.
Okay, which button that?
Image tray.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, if you want to convert a raster image to a vector, you can use image trace. Okay, ataupun kalau you nak dia, you punya foto ni a bit cartoonish, okay, nampak macam kartun sikit kan? Okay, so you can use a image trace up here. Okay, so you click that image trace, and by default, okay, when you click image trace, okay, it will apply, you punya image trace ni, you punya image ni akan jadi black and white. Okay, so tapi you boleh tukar setting dia, okay, by going to here. Okay, kat sini pun boleh. Okay, you boleh choose, okay, you boleh choose high fidelity photo, low fidelity photo, 3 colors. Kalau 3 colors ni maksudnya you punya image trace ni hanya ada 3 color saja. 6 colors. Okay. Or you can click the image trace panel up here. Klik dekat sini. Okay. Okay, so you boleh adjust lagi lah. Okay. Alright, this is a preset. Okay. Alright. So dekat sini mode ni you boleh choose. Okay, you nak dia color, grayscale atau black and white. Okay. Alright. Okay, sekarang ni kita pilih color. And then so colors kat sini, the color slider ni, okay. So let's say you nak, you punya image trace ni ada 6 color, hanya ada 6 color. So you, itulah, atau you nak 10 color, 10 color. So you boleh use the slider. Okay. Ataupun, okay, maximum is 30 lah for limited palette. Okay. Alright, saya nak dalam 5 colors, maybe. Okay, 5 colors. And then, okay, you boleh adjust. Kalau, okay, dekat dalam ACA dia tak tanya yang ni path, corners, noise. Okay, yang ni dia akan tanya dalam ACE saja. Okay, so dia boleh kalau you, okay, you boleh adjust lah kalau you nak, maybe you nak smooth out the path. Okay, kalau you nak dia simplify the path. Okay, so you boleh drag the slider to the left so that you can reduce the number of paths. Okay. Okay, this looks good to me. Okay, so saya just guna this setting ni. Okay, let's say I want to, saya tak nak 5 lah, saya nak dalam, okay, let's say you want to remove the white area here. Okay, you nak remove the background. Okay, so you boleh check ignore white. Okay. And then after that, click expand. Okay, once you are happy with the result, okay, click expand. Okay. Once you dah expand kan guys, you tak boleh modify balik dalam image trace. Okay. Alright, kalau you perasan dekat sini, okay, dia, okay. Dekat sini dia, apa tu, dia berlubang kat sini. So you boleh guna shape builder tool to fill the color. I just use white color. Okay, and then okay, you can go to, okay, I nak you place this logo and then place it here. Okay, if you check, if you go to window menu, okay, and okay, kalau you select info, info ke? Sekejap, I tak boleh ingat. Kat mana ya? Document info, sorry, document info. Dokumen info ke? Saya tak ingat lah. Okay guys, sorry guys, just ignore ni lah. Okay. Okay, what is the advantage? Okay, apa kelebihan kalau saya punya objek ni masih link lagi. Okay, saya tak embed. Okay, dia masih link, file ni masih link dengan file dalam folder saya. Okay, so apa dia punya keistimewaan dia? Dia punya
If you do
advantage.
any amendment in the original file, so they will update.
Sorry, pardon?
Anything happen to original file, for example, you change the color, whatever, it will be update to
Yes. Yep. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's say, okay, saya punya logo ni dia masih link lagi. Dia punya kelebihan dia, okay, bila you punya asset ni masih link lagi, okay. And kalau saya adjust, okay, let's say saya adjust dalam Photoshop lah, okay, saya edit dalam Photoshop. Okay, sekejap saya, okay, kalau you nak edit, you boleh edit original. Okay. Alright, bila kita klik original dia akan buka Photoshop. Okay. Okay, sekejap saya buat adjustment dekat dalam Photoshop sekejap. Saya tak tahu saya nak adjust apa. Okay, let's say saya okay, saya guna blending options. Okay, saya just use random je lah. Okay, bila saya klik okay, bila saya save, okay. Okay, saya save. Okay, and then okay, bila saya make adjustment to the file in the folder, okay, this logo file, okay, dan dia bila kita go back to Illustrator, dia akan cakap ni dia akan pop out this alert. Some files are missing or modified in the links panel. Would you like to update them now? And then click yes. And then dia akan updated. Okay. So you tak perlu pergi file, menu and then place again. Okay. Let's say you can update lagi. You kena okay, you nak adjust, you nak make adjustment lagi. So kalau you dah embed dia, okay, dia akan hassle sikit lah, okay. Susah sikit lah. Okay, you kena pergi file menu, place balik, okay, ambil masa. Okay. Okay, so far do you have any questions? Okay, soalan ni saya tak pas. Sekejap saya check. Soalan ni dia tanya dekat dalam exam. Okay, tak apa, jangan risau. Besok nanti kan saya dah buat dah mockup exam. Soalan dia hampir tak adalah sama tapi objektif dia sama. Okay. Dia punya soalan objektif dia sama macam real SCA exam. Okay. Tapi kalau you lucky you dapatlah soalan saya tu. Okay. Sebab setiap orang dapat soalan lain tapi ada yang samalah. Okay. Alright. Okay, so far do you have any questions? Okay, Ahmad tanya objektif berapa soalan, praktikal berapa soalan biasa. Okay, SCA 2020 ni kan dia punya soalan dia dah lain tau. Maksud saya siapa yang pernah ambil SCA sebelum ni, SCA sebelum ni ada 40 soalan. Okay, dan SCA 2020 ni dia ada 11 soalan multiple choices question. Okay. Multiple choice. Teori tak banyak sangat tau. Teori tak banyak. Around 5 question je tu lah. 5-6 question je tu. 5 question lah. 5-6 question. Okay. Dan ada question tu soalan yang berkaitan dengan Illustrator lah. Okay. In multiple choices question. Okay. Contoh dia suruh kita mix and match the tools and the function. Okay. And then okay, dia ada 11 multiple choices question and 21 simulation test. So simulation test tu dia akan bagi you tu lah arahan okay, please how to convert this to a guide. Okay, please convert this shape to a guide, or please place a text, create a text in the middle of the guideline. Lebih macam tu lah soalan dia. Okay. Okay, so ada soalan lagi? So total dalam 32 question. Dan you only have a 15 minutes. Okay, siapa yang tak biasa guna Illustrator memang tak sempat lah nak Google. Okay, besok kita akan buat latihan. Hopefully sempat nak Google. Okay. Okay, passing mark dia, okay, dia punya total adalah, okay, kalau dekat Malaysia, biasa total marks is 100 kan. Okay, kalau dekat, kalau SCA ni, total mark dia 1000. So, if you want to pass the exam, you punya minimum pass scores is 700. 700. Okay. So topik-topik yang saya recap tadi, saya fokus dekat ni lah soalan-soalan exam ni. Okay, so siapa yang miss tu rugilah. Siapa yang tak dapat, yang tak participate dalam saya punya recap session ni, tugas rugi sikit lah. Okay. Yup, 70%. You have you kena above 70 and above lah to pass the exam. Below than that, okay, you consider fail. You akan dapat you punya result akan dapat immediately. Lepas you klik finish, send apa button ni, dia macam finish lah kan. Then you terus dapat you pass ke tak pass. Dia akan tunjuk you punya tu, you punya mark. Yep, on the spot. Result is on the spot. And then lepas you dah lepas you dah dapat result, and then on the next day kot, you akan dapat on the next day you akan dapat badge lah daripada Adobe. Okay, you boleh pergi ke you punya website, pergi ke apa tu website Acclaim kot. Sekejap saya check. This one you boleh pergi ke youracclaim.com ni. Okay, so you akan dapat badge kat sini lah. Okay. Tapi saya pelik kenapa dia tak hantar. Okay. Nanti dia akan hantar you, dia akan hantar you tu. Dia akan hantar you soft copy of the certificate. 32 questions. Okay. Ada soalan-soalan lain? Okay, tak ada soalan? Kita take 5 boleh?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, okay. 15 minute break.